Hey High Leveler, my name is Andrew, and these two features inside of GoHighLevel are going to make your voice AI agents even better by utilizing noise cancellation and back channeling in order to make the conversation sound more human and to get studio level quality for your agents to use inside of GoHighLevel. Let's dive right in. Again, we're talking about noise cancellation and back channeling. So let's go to AI agents, agent list, and open up one of our existing agents inside of GoHighLevel. Now we can access these two features under advanced settings. So you can click that here, and then you'll see first back channeling under agent behavior. Now, under agent behavior, we can configure lots of different things like our response speed, our interruption sensitivity, etc. And then here we can enable back channeling. Now, what this does is this uses affirmations like yeah or uh-huh, or things that they're using as confirmations in the background while you're talking. So this is really helpful, and we'll go ahead and set our frequency to high just so we can test it. And then we can enter in a list of words we want our agents to use. So we'll say, got it is one set. Makes sense. We'll add in one uh-huh. Now, whenever we have this turned on, we can go ahead and click start web call, and I'll show you what this sounds like.
Hey, you have reached SaaS Suite. How can I help you today?
Hey, so I want to enable booking appointments for my CRM. There it is. Okay, so you just heard it say uh-huh while I was talking, so it understands what I'm saying. Now, if you ever enable this to do it more often, just be careful because it might interrupt your customers. But if we say something like, hey, so you understand how GoHighLevel works, right? Then it'll say uh-huh or yeah, right? So that's exactly how that works. So it is really cool. We'll go ahead and end this call so it's not continuing to listen to us. So now let's talk about the second feature we get access to that we're talking about today is noise cancellation. So down here under voice settings, again in our advanced settings, we have a couple of different options for noise cancellation. Now, if we click do not remove noise, and this is going to take in the input from the caller just as normal. Again, this is for the caller's side. So if you click remove noise, and this will remove the noise from the call while they're having a conversation so the AI can get better information while it's talking to the user. And if we click remove noise plus background speech, then this will make sure that it's not hearing any noises in the background like team calls or anything else happening while the user is calling them. So this allows it to get a little bit better information when it's having a call with your customers. Again, these are just little pieces of fine tuning for us to make our agents even better. And you can couple these with things like background sounds in order to make your agent sound more realistic and be able to take in calls from your customers without any excess noise. So that's really it. Now, I would highly recommend you go through the rest of advanced settings. This is probably one of the most important parts of setting up your voice AI agents because you can set up your call settings, your agent behavior, transcription and speech settings, and your voice settings here to really make it sound very human, which is really awesome. So if you have any questions about AI agents in GoHighLevel or how to set up any of these features, feel free to go to the comments on this video or check out the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.